quick tip for you guys today. So if you're in Unreal and you're working on audio, specifically in UEFN here, and I'm taking a look and I see that I have a bunch of audio files that my duration is longer than they should be. So I know that these ones here, they shouldn't actually be exactly 20 seconds. And if you don't have a duration column or you need to add it, you can of course just right click up here on the title bar and go down and select duration or whatever you want. And of course, if you want to see your waveform, I can go into tiles and look at my waveform. That's going to settings in the top right-hand corner and selecting tiles. Of course, I was in columns there. And so one of the things I can tell here is like this one here, I can see that it is, it's got some blank space behind it. If you right click on it and you can go down into open in external editor, we'll go right click, open in external editor, and here is our editor. So I can see that I have a pretty large blank space at the end of this here. So we'll just cut this one down. And we know that we want to just clip this out because we don't want this big empty space here. We can just take this, delete, and we'll hit save. Great. So now rather than actually having to go back here and drag and drop it back in, you'll notice it's still showing this same thing. The one thing that you have to do is you have to come back and you have to go down. And once you've saved it, is you have to click reimport. This is very, very important. If you don't do this, what your changes that you made won't actually reflect in the engine. So if you just come here and then click reimport, and we'll notice here now all of a sudden our graph is different and our duration has changed. We'll just do another one here. You can see this one here says a duration of 35 seconds. We'll just right click again, edit in external editor. And our external editor here opens up, highlight, I can make my edits, make sure I save them, come back to my UEFN, right click, find reimport, and there you go. So just like that, we can see how quick and easy it is to make our changes to our files. Of course, now we can see that our files have been changed, this one here, and the duration has changed on both of these, 7 seconds now, 20 seconds instead of 35 seconds when we were first looking at them. It's a very quick and easy way that you can help edit your assets, especially when it comes to doing this audio stuff and just needing to clean everything up just a little bit. Well, hopefully that helps you guys out, and we'll see you on the next one.